Hi students, in the last video we discussed about economic order quantity. In this video we will learn about the key components of batch number tracking and key components of serial number tracking. What is batch number tracking? A batch number is a unique identifier assigned to a group of products produced or processed together during a specific time frame. This number helps track the production process and ensures quality control. Let us have a look at the key features of batch number tracking. Number one is group identification. Batch numbers are assigned to a group of items that share common characteristics, such as production date, manufacturer, or processing location. Example, a packet of chips produced from facility A on 25th October will have the same batch number. Second is quality control. In case of a defect or recall, batch number helps identify affected products quickly. Third is expiration dates. This is particularly important for perishable goods because batch tracking enables monitoring of expiration dates for items in the same batch. What are the common industries that use batch tracking? Pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, cosmetics, chemicals, and many more. Now let us understand what are the benefits of batch tracking. Number one, that it helps in efficient recall management, as quick identification of affected batches reduces response time in case of quality issues. Second is inventory management, as it helps in managing inventory levels and assessing the shelf life of products. Third is regulatory compliance, as many industries are required to maintain batch tracking for compliance with safety standards. Now, let us understand what is serial number tracking. A serial number is a unique identifier assigned to individual items, enabling tracking of each item separately through its life cycle. By life cycle, I mean product production to product sales. Now let us have a look at the key features of serial number tracking. Number one is the individual identification. Serial numbers of different products differ from each other, which provides detailed tracking for warranty claims, servicing, and repairs. Second is tracking ownership. Serial numbers help track ownership and transfer of individual items. By ownership, I mean the legal right or claim that an individual or organization has over a specific item. When an item has a serial number, it allows businesses and customers to identify who owns that item at any given time. What are the industries that use serial tracking? Electronics, automotive, appliances, or high value equipment. What are the benefits of serial number tracking? Number one is the enhanced traceability, as serial numbers allow for detailed tracking of an item from production through sales to customer service. Second is warranty management. Serial number helps facilitate handling of warranty, claims, and service histories for individual products. Third is fraud prevention, as it helps in preventing duplicate products by verifying the authenticity of each item. Now let us see what are the implementation considerations. Number one is technology. Both tracking methods often utilize barcodes or RFID technology for efficient scanning and tracking. RFID means radio frequency identification. Second is software integration. Inventory management systems should support batch and serial tracking features to facilitate accurate tracking. Also, staff should be trained on the importance of accurate data entry and tracking processes to ensure system effectiveness. Data entry refers to the process of inputting specific information related to individual items in a system or database. And fourth is that it is necessary to ensure that tracking systems meet industry regulations and standards. What were the key takeaways of this video? We learned key components of batch number tracking, and we understood the key components of serial number tracking. In the next video, we will discuss about barcodes and RFID. Thank you.